bafowethu umemezile uMadube bafowethu 17 November 2025 national shutdown, national vala zonke, national shutdown, national vala zonke. Umemezile uMadube bafowethu, umemezile ngevoice encane kodwa vele yankulu. Umemezile bafowethu uMadube, isikhathi sesifikile. Lesi isikhathi sokuthi enough, it is enough. And I've been waiting for this day. I've been waiting. Ladies and gentlemen, kade ngilindile bafowethu. Lesi sikhathi kade ngisilindile ngoba kwazoqhamuka igiant ongayibuka incane yenkosazana. Waqhamuka walelala. Ngithi enough is enough. National shutdown 17 November 2025. National shutdown useyimemezelile uMadube wayimemeza kona wonke ama-province. Uma ungayalapha ephejini lakho uzobona ufake wonke ama-email, nami mangwapeluza la ephejini lami ngifake onke ama-email ukuthi ey'fundazweni useLimpopo, useCape Town, useJoburg, useKZN, ukuphi nakuphi akhona ama-email ukuthi uxhumana nobani ngomhla ka-17. Shutdown vala zonke, shutdown vala zonke, zonke bonke, whether blue, yellow, brown, green, whatever it is, national shutdown. Enough, it is enough. Rand manipulated, siyayivala. Webafowethu, inkinga esibhekene nayo inkulu eMsouthern, because abantu abacontrola yonke into eSouth Africa, abacontrola ama-politicians, abantu abacontrola irandi, abantu abacontrola ngisho imphefumulo yethu lesiyiphefumulayo. Hey bafowethu, abananhliziyo ba-heartless, bafuna ukuthi bashiye sinama-depression, bashiye sithi devastated, singelutho. Sikuphi isidingo sokuthi uze ucontrole, umanipulate irandi, ubuvese, ucontrol ipower, ebese wenza yonke into ibe mess up, because vele you are controlling everything. Yabona, everything, ye politics uyayicontrola, yonke into uyayicontrola, i-media uyayicontrola, wenza konke, but still you are greedy, still we monster. Lalelani-ke bafowethu, the time has come. Umemezile uMadube ebafethu udlala amantombazana awu-2. Le ntombazana yakaDube le leader le national shutdown ebese kuba nale ntombazana yakwaZuma, Dube girl and Zuma girl. Those are the type of leaders I'm talking about. National shutdown 17 November. This is where we are. We are ready. We are saying njengabahlali base South Africa, we are ready. Sifuna ukuthi sithi nje.
This is a national shutdown update that is being held on the 17th of November 2025. So finally, we have all 9 provinces. I'm so happy. And this is a list of all the national coordinators that you can contact with any information that you need, if you want to volunteer, and anything that has to do with your province, please find it on this list. And in the next list is the reason why we are having a shutdown and an explanation. See, I've received a lot of questions because people don't seem to understand what the shutdown is about. It is about economic inclusion and changing the systems that are sabotaging our economy. And this is what we will be submitting to the various entities that are directly involved in the sabotage and the things that we would like that are achievable. We are giving them 5 days. We're marching on the 17th on the Monday. We're submitting these demands, which are reachable and it's possible. Now we are submitting these demands and giving them 5 days. 5 days to respond by committing to these demands. And then we can have a sit at the table. Should these demands not be met, then we are shutting down the country and not participating in any economic activity on the 21st of November, which is a Friday. Now, I know that this coincides with other initiatives. So South Africa has a lot of issues. very important and very pressing issues. And my proposal would be that we work together so that together and united, our voices would be better understood and heard. And I encourage all organizations, entities that agree with this, and individuals, especially the citizens, to join us and support us in this march, much as we are in support of the other marches that are happening, because all of these issues are not only sensitive but important. So we are opening up our platform, and should any organization in any province, country, whatever, be interested in assisting us or supporting us, we're inviting Santako, we're inviting everyone. It's a non-political initiative. I want to highlight that. It's non-political, but we are inviting everyone as an individual entity and as a unit, as a country, as Ubuntu, Abantu. We're inviting you to join us, support us, and whoever has any contributions and thoughts, opinions, please do contact us. We are open to suggestions, volunteers, and collaborating with any other organizations. And I will update the routes tomorrow. I'll post about them for all provinces. It might not be all cities, but we will be updating for all provinces. That I will do tomorrow on Monday. What's the date tomorrow? The 10th of November. Thank you, and Aluda. We're not asking for much, Jazz. We're not. We're just saying the rand should trade at 7 rand to the dollar as it should be. We are saying the politicians involved in corruption and stealing of state resources must just be arrested. We are saying no to rand manipulation. Before we talk about the poster behind me, let me give you a quick update on the rand manipulation case. So they were still in court on Friday, on the 31st of October. The court said, hey guys, I'm not sure yet, so there isn't any final verdict. The South African argument is that there's a communication that the banks were having, but there's a system that they were using, so it's a third party, so the bank to bank communicating on how to manipulate the rand. The banks are saying no, but that's a third party, and what if it was tampered with? Wada wada. It's like a WhatsApp, yeah, that they use. So they want to throw off the case by discrediting this communication system. Others are saying, but we're not even from South Africa, so why are we even being bothered by these laws of yours? Yeah, Baba. Hey. And this is the problem with our government, and that's why they keep wanting to privatize everything, because they bring in these international entities that don't abide by South African laws, and that's how they get away with things. Think about it. In mining, they're giving Australia, they're dishing out contracts. And I mean, this Australian company, for example, I know I'm digressing. This Australian company is getting 30 years of mining, over 70% of the profits. Plus, they are only giving us 1,000 jobs. It's in the healthcare system. So, ama commission that are happening. There are international people coming in, companies coming in, looting South Africa. We need to put a stop to this immediately. We can't go on like this, because if you give them another 30 years like they've had now, imagine where South Africa will be if we don't fight now, if we don't fight exactly when the G20 summit is coming in. So it's international people coming in and talking about our resources. Our water is being sold. Soon and very soon, the river next to you, you will not be by law allowed to touch the water. Guys, it is so many things that are being looted, taken right under our noses. We need to put a stop to this corruption. It goes into every sector. Every sector. They are taking away from our rights. They are writing our laws. Back to the poster. We are inviting every South African to join us every morning at 7 o'clock to hoot your cock. 7 a.m. in the morning, starting from Monday, the 3rd of November, 2025. Hoot your cock. This is to create awareness. It's a build up. And at 4 p.m. again, every day during traffic hour, you hoot your car to create awareness. Together we can, together we will transform South Africa towards an inclusive economy. Do not stop posting 7 rand to the dollar until we reach 7 rand to the dollar.
Abanikazi be-country nansi into abathandayo njalo uma singakhuluma ngayo. Sengikhuluma ke mina ngabanikazi be-South Africa okuyibona abantu abaphethe South Africa, laba abacontrola ama-politicians, abacontrola ne-treasury, abacontrola i-mainstream media, abacontrola ama-bank. Abafuni uma sikhuluma indaba yokuthi okuyibona abantu abadriver the biggest crime in South African history ilaba bamanipulate irandi. Sihlupheka kangaka, yebo, ama-illegal foreigners nawanayo i-contribution of some sort. Yebo, ubugebengu bama-drug lords nama-syndicate crime kunayo ingxenye ukuyidlala enkulu engeke siyibukele phansi. Ingakho simsupport ubaba uMkhwanazi ngoba into ayiveza ubugebengu obuhleliwe. Kodwa kuyisona sona esikhulu kakhulu esenziwe eSouth Africa, senziwa ama-bank ehlangane ne-mainstream media. Awungitshela nje ukuthi usho kanjani ukuthi South Africa iwine i-loan. Uyiwina kanjani i-loan? Mainstream media ke reporter kanjalo. Afika u-treasury mezo reporter, a report athi sithole i-loan kwi-World Bank ayibhale ngama-dollar. Athi 900 and something dollars. Angasitshela ukuthi loyo u-15 billion rand imali abahambe boyiboleka. Bengakutshela ukuthi just 4 months ago manje ngoJune kade belande amanye ama-billion wama-rand. Isikweletu se-South Africa sikhuphuka like crazy. Kuphume ama-statistics ashaqisa ukuthi i-South Africa isudlulile umaka we-poverty line. Umuntu wase-South Africa uhlupheka ukudlula an average person in the world ohluphekayo according to the new stats. Izwe lethu balicwilisa ezikweletini usuku ngosuku ngoba nje befuna ukuthiwa as downgradiwe ngalaba ama rating agencies. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi abasi-downgrade kanjani ngesikhathi singathatha ama-loan. Manje njalo bayasikhumbuza ukuthi hayibo sekuphela isikhathi esingaka nikakazi ukuzothatha i-loan. Yingobani benza njalo? Yingoba bayazi ukuthi irandi la manipulator. Irandi lenziwa laba imali engasiyona. UKhanyaho ukuvezile wathi irandi fanele ngabe uma siliqhathanisa neDollar, iDollar libo 7 rand 40. Hayi lo 17 rand for 17 rand 50 esiubonayo njalo. Idala ukuthini ke leyo nto? Bayazi laba beke betravel bephuma kwabanye amazwe ukuthi ngempela lento ayisho uKhanyaho makes sense. Ukuthi isinkwa very same bread noma uMcDonald's noma uKFC othenga eSouth Africa uma ucompare uthenga eUSS, iUSA, it doesn't make sense ukuthi kuthiwa irandi lo 18 kanjani. Ngoba fanele ngabe u2 liter wecoke eSouth Africa uma siqhathanisa neDollar lase-US, at least fanele ngabe iya match lento abayishoyo. But it doesn't match uma usungale. It only matches uma this side. Yini into edala lokho? Ingoba irandi limanipulatiwe, izinto zikhushuliwe, ama-price ezinto zikhushuliwe. Igrosa esithengayo akufanele ngabe sithenga le mali sithenga ngayo. Upetrol esiwufakayo kufanele ngabe siwufaka le mali siwufaka ngayo. Kodwa konke lokho kuncike erandini eli-wrong. Bafowethu, asivukeni silwelizwe lethu. Mhla ka-17 November i-national shutdown ibiziwe. Sonke asiphumeni ingane zakwethu, asibekene eceleni indaba ama-political differences. Ukuthi ugqoka isikephe esihlaza noma esibomvu noma esiyellow noma esiblue asidingi ngolesibili. Sonke ake siphakame njengama-South Africans. Unite against the manipulation yerandi eyenziwe. Uma isiconfesswa okuyena ophethe imali kuyefana nalento yenziwa uMkhwanazi exactly. Uma sisukumile salwa uMkhwanazi ekhuluma, yini singasukuma emakhuluma uKhanyaho? Asifuni kuze kufike kule level yokuthi mhlawumbe ngoba yena uholunye uhlanga omunye uholunye uhlanga. Bantu bakwaZulu Natal asukumeni sonke. Sihlukumezekile, imisebenzi ayikho. Nibona into edenzeka ama-respect izolo. Nibonile ama-job posts abantu aba-200. Kwafika abantu aba-over 5,000. Wakwezwa phela njalo. Izwe lethu liya down 180 kilometers per hour libheke ezantsi liyagijima. Sithule thina. Afakiwe-ke ama-coordinator bama-province bonke bafuneni nibathole. Izwe lethu sizolilwela. Bayathanda noma bathanda this time around asizokuthula. Uma ukuthi kumele ukuthi G20 iphazanyiswe, hayi bafana hayi ngeke. Ingamani ngahlali kwaleyo G20. Ngeke phela lokho esenziwe ilima sibuka